SOUN is trending. This is Monday, the 29th of December 2025, pre market session. It is trending as investors and traders weigh analyst upgrades, backlog strength, and insider selling. Recent analyst upgrades and bullish price targets have added momentum to their discussion. Supportive analysts are pointing to what they see as meaningful upside potential, citing the company's growing customer base, expanding deployment footprint, and the company's role in powering the shift toward agentic voice-driven AI systems that can autonomously assist users across multitasks. Okay, bulls are also highlighting the company's contractual backlog, which presents revenue already committed but not recognized. But sentiment isn't universally positive, despite perceived operational progress. Some shareholders remain frustrated by the company's recent underperformance, especially relative to broader AI hype cycles. Okay, so bottom line, as CES 2026 approaches, expectations are rising that the company could deliver new partnerships or platform announcements that validate the bullish case. But until investors see more consistent financial results and clarity around insider activity, the debate between conviction and caution is likely to continue, making the company one of the most closely watched names in the AI ecosystem. Yeah, it's also reasonably heavily shorted. Yes, heavily shorted. I think over 30%. Okay, currently down 1.87%. Okay. Yeah, modestly, or the spread as things stand right now in this pre-market trading is okay. Yeah, you just want a spread of only 1 cent, and that is what's going on right now. Underlying trend has remained neutral to bullish as things stand right now, and the consolidation that began from the 17th of November is expected to remain in place up till early February as well. And the 40 period moving average is expected to continue to decline to contract any attempt to bounce. So it's more of a contraction that is expected at least up till the 26th of January. No guarantee that this will be the case at all. The question will is, what is so is it so dull? Is it so quiet that we are going to continue to see the grind? Well, I mean, is it so dull that we're going to continue to see the grind that is going on right now, which is actually expected to intensify? You can see here the 40 period moving average is coming down, and the 10 3 period moving average is rising. It gives you an impression of a contraction. So nothing at all. It's if you think it's quiet now, it's actually saying it's going to get even more quiet towards the 26th of January. Yeah. So if you know anything that defies this extrapolation, drop a comment. I don't know myself. So here, nothing. The extrapolations, the projections are not even projecting anything to the upside. Pretty much chiming with this extrapolation of continued contraction and quietness. Before now, we had something reasonable as of Christmas Eve. You had 12.71, 13.54, 14.04. All of them are all decently at decent, with reasonable premiums to the current price. And indeed, also it has negative 2.37, negative 5.02. Obviously, stocks don't trade in negatives, but it means that those are referring to some really fractional prices. Yeah, really fractional whole number prices. Sorry, really fractional real number prices. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, if you go back all the way back to the 30th of October, it had as high as 27.68. But what can we do with those? Momentum is also not expecting anything at all. Nothing volatile coming up. Nothing. Just the same sideways movement, the same sideways grind and contraction. On the 4 hour chart, yeah, consolidation at least up till Wednesday pre-market session, and then in that session it's expected to a lift is expected to occur. Okay, now that will be a breath of fresh air, but I'm not expected to go beyond that. After that, and further consolidation, then the downtrend may resume thereafter. Here, projections are saying 10.5, 10.33. They're out at a discount to the current price. The current price is 10.5. Yeah, 10.3 is a discount. Yeah. So I mean, there's ample room to the upside, up to the upside. So to the upside, if you think about it, up to 27 or even beyond, it has it. Yeah. Okay. So on this 4 hour chart, the algo seems to be suggesting that momentum might pick up and then peak by the 5th of January. Okay. So is there anything in the short term that will result that can lift the stock? Yeah, anytime soon. That's what we have to find out. Let's see now. Let's see what the probabilities are saying on a daily chart. On the daily chart, we have let's see, probability of it retesting 11.31 is more than 50%. Probability of it retesting 12.04 equally higher than 50%. Probability of it retesting 12.78, unfortunately, less than 50%. It has this pivotal projection, going by what this extrapolation is saying. It looks like a tall order, but if it closes above it, 15.62, 15.65, then they might advance towards 12 points. Sorry. If it closes above 15.62, then it might advance towards 17.68. Yeah. There's no fresh news. No fresh news. That's more of the CES anticipation. Yeah, we'll see. When I think what we need to find out is CES. When is it? The date, and see if it aligns with what we have there in terms of extrapolation. In terms of its extrapolations, let's see. January 6th. Okay, let's see. It might be 6th to 9th. January 6th to 9th. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. It pretty much aligns. Yes, is expected to begin to lift from okay, so it's a case of buy before the event starts, and then remain stable. Maybe if there's news, then just remain stable with the bearish bias. Then maybe after that, when it fizzles out by Monday, so it's going to be from then to 6 to is a Tuesday to Friday. Then by Monday again, pick up the strength. Yeah, by Monday. Okay, okay. Okay. By Monday, print the. Okay, let's say now. Pick up the strength from now, especially from Wednesday. Pick up the strength from Wednesday. That's what it's suggesting that people are going to buy in anticipation from Wednesday, and then from Tuesday, when the event begins, it may just remain stable with a distributive bias and declining. Yeah, distributive bias meaning it's going to continue to decline modestly whilst also trying to remain stable. And then from Tuesday the 13th, it might pick up again. And from Monday the 19th, the downtrend may resume. So it's presenting a very short term trade. Let's see now, short term. Yeah, let's see how it aligns with what we have on its options grid. Is it optionable? I don't think it's optionable. It is optionable. Let's see. I don't really think January 16th here. A lot can be interpreted from what is done there. Short interests, all of those things. They are all printed in here. Okay. People are expecting a move towards 12. I wouldn't say they're expecting a move, because it could also mean that Some of them are equally selling as well. These open positions, it could be that they've bought to open, meaning they are bullish. If they've sold to open, they are also bearish. So it's a mix of things. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it all goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.